Hello, this is Bob. I'm just going to be showing you a little tip on how to get your refrigerators ready to go for your camping trip. So if you come follow me over here, this is also going to be a video on how our hot water heater went out the other day, so we needed a place to shower. So we used the RV camper to shower while it was getting fixed. So what I did was I plugged in the hose and come over here. Don't forget about your pressure regulator on your hose, just like you do at the RV camp, so you don't blow out your plumbing pipes. So I plugged in. This is a 30 amp, and I brought it over here. And then what I did was I dog boned from a 30 amp to 15 amp, and I just got me a nice thick 12 gauge extension cord. Ran it over here, plugged her in, and she's running. So, as you can see, this baby's pretty cold. Ooh, that's cold. I turned on the old hot water heater, so that's going. The fridge is going. Turn on the hot water heater, electric. So as you can see, that baby's hot. Now, what you can't do is you can't run your AC. So don't think you're going to be hanging out camping in your camper with the AC going, because that's going to overload you. So it worked out pretty good. So we got to use the fridge is on. Everything's cold. Those are cold. Freezer's cold, so turn it on about a day before you head out. Put your food in there, it'll be nice and cold, and just wherever you're going. So that's it from tip on how to use your shower in your driveway at home if your hot water heater has gone out. Thank you.